Hello and welcome to Business Advancer, designed and developed by Pascoes Software Engineering. I will now give a quick demonstration on the section Jobs and Tasks. Here you will find the job page window with a list of jobs that have been booked in. On the top right hand corner you will see the day picker. The left and right arrows will quickly skip between the different days. By clicking on the date, it will bring up the calendar picker, which will allow you to skip through the months and days quicker. You have the Today's button, which will bring you back to today's date. As you see, in the middle of the screen, it shows the list of jobs that are currently booked in through Business Advancer. They are color-coded by statuses. These colors have been set automatically but can be changed by the user. This is the Edit Appointment window. This stores all the information about the jobs that are booked in. In the top left-hand corner, you can see the date that has been booked in and it change if necessary, along with the scheduled time. Underneath, there is a quoted by, job type, and service by. So we can choose a worker who has done the quote, select the job type, and if the job has been converted, then you can choose the service worker. Towards the right, you will see the customer details, name, number, and address. Under the section, you have the Heard About Us. This data is entered and stored in a database which relays back to another section of Business Advancer under the Marketing section, which I'll go through in another video under the dashboard. Moving down, you can see the description of the job, which can be gained from the client over the phone as a quick demonstration of the issue. We can then update the job's description when the work has been carried out. For example, if the general electrical issue is done, say place light switch. Under this description, there is an amount price, which is used along with the description on the tax invoice. So underneath here we have $80 as the service amount. Towards the right hand side you will find a list of materials. This is a list from one of the suppliers who has given us a product list matched with a product name, which can be updated very easily by importing a newer product listing. There is a search function allowing you to quickly search up products and add them to the job with your own pricing. Along with that, you can choose whether to show the individual items on the invoice or not. So let's say we set that to $50. The total materials will automatically calculate, and then you have the option to display materials on invoice. The section Subcontract can be used to document if the job has had some subcontractors assigned to it. This is where you can make a note for the person who is doing the job, along with the service charges that they have charged you, along with the charges that we're feeing the customer. Once the job has been completed, we can change the status of the job and then choose whether to send out an invoice. By sending out an invoice, you have two options, whether to email it directly to the customer or print it out.